If you need to update your phone number on Uber Eats, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select Account or Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Select Phone Number. Look for the option labeled Phone Number or Contact Information. Tap on it to view your current phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the provided field. Make sure to double-check for any errors before proceeding. Step 5. Verify your new phone number. After entering your new number, Uber Eats will send a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the app to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in the Uber Eats system. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber Eats support for assistance.